Hi guys, and welcome back. Today's episode is extra special because I'm not the one cooking. It's actually my mom that's cooking. She is here visiting for a couple of weeks, so we are taking full advantage, and she's going to show you how to make crepes with the basic apple filling. This is just an easy recipe. The way my mom cooks is very simple. It's just things you have on hand, things that you can just throw together in no time. So I'm so excited to share this with you. This was devoured in like 5 seconds, especially after we drizzled the crepes with chocolate. Gabe was like, I'm in. So I'm so excited to share this recipe with you. I hope you guys enjoy.
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think you said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car, let me see who you are, who you really are, yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle, no, I just gotta know. If you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Let's be honest for a second, yeah. You're being over your head, babe, 'cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel